Alright, so sketch the graph of each line. So what's the slope here? Well, we know it's negative, it's downhill. And the coefficient, when it's not written, it's understood to be a coefficient of 1. So this is really like y equals negative 1x minus 3. So to make that a fraction, it's negative 1 over 1. So now we can just use our same process. Y-intercept of negative 3, down 1, forward 1, gives us our downhill line. Don't just draw those two little points and then wing it for the rest of your line. Try to draw several points so that you can get a pretty decent looking line. Alright, x equals 4. Well, that's undefined, and that's going to be when the x value is always 4. So anything you want here. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, right? It's a vertical line through x is 4. Alright, so now we want to find the equation of this line. Well, what's my y-intercept? It's 0. It's not nothing, it's 0. And then we rise and run from a good point to another good point, up 1 over 2. So our rise over run is, the rise is 1, the run is 2. Right? So then we get y equals 1/2 x plus 0. So I'm not going to write the plus 0, there's our equation. Here, our y-intercept is plus 3, and let's say we go down from a good point to another good point. I know there's ones in between, but I just want to show you that if you go down 3 over 3, our rise over run is down 3, forward 3, and that reduces to a negative 1. Alright? Or you could have seen it was down 1 over 1. That would still reduce to a negative 1. So we have y-intercept of 3 and a slope of negative 1. So we get y equals negative 3x. Nope, my bad. We get y equals negative 1x plus 3. So lastly, write in slope-intercept form. So we need to basically, slope-intercept form is y equals. So we minus the 5x, and we get y equals negative 5x plus 4. There you go, done. Here, you need to first minus the 3x, and we have, remember this sign stays with the y, so we have negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. I'm going to divide by negative 2, and we get y equals negative over negative, we get positive 3/2 x minus 3. Alright, DONE. Hopefully you're ready for the test, and we'll see you next class.